Hello, hello, hello. Patrice Stewart here, your favorite tax and business strategist. Today, I want to talk about a special topic: business credits. Yes, the infamous business credit. So, today I'm going to go over 5 net 30 accounts that you can obtain for your business, and you can get that is completely separate from you as the owner. So they are not going to require your social security number. They are not going to require your personal banking information. This is strictly accounts that you can set up under the business name, EIN, address, etc. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Business credit account number 1 is Nav Business Boost. So the reason why I started here with Nav Business Boost is really you are killing 2 birds with 1 stone. So when you create an account with Nav Business Boost, you can create a free account, but there is an option for you to be able to set up an account where they actually report to the credit bureaus for you and your business account. So it's like a business trade line, and you're able to access your other credit reports as well. So Nav Business Boost reports for Dun & Bradstreet. They report for Experian Business Credit and Equifax Business Credit. So you can obtain all 3 with that one Nav Business Boost account. You can also obtain your personal credit reports if you want to go ahead and access that as well. But the biggest thing with Nav is you're able to get those 3 business credit accounts, Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. But then also Nav is going to report a trade line for you if you pay the extra fee, which is around $39.95 per month. All right. So Nav Business Boost is a great way for you to establish credit and obtain a trade line as well for the business. All right. The next account that we're going to go over is Quill. Quill is an office supply company. One of the things that you can purchase from Quill is something like your toilet paper, right? Your toilet tissue, your paper towels, your Lysol, your hand wipes. If you don't have actual items that you can purchase every month for your business, if you don't need pens and folders or computers or, any kind of office supplies, then I would suggest utilizing Quill to purchase maybe some of your home supplies like paper and paper towel and napkins and tissue, right? So Quill is a office supply company, but they have an array of items. The other thing that you want to do is when you set these net 30 accounts up, you also, especially with Quill, you want to order something that's at least $50 to $100 on your first order. Actually, just go ahead and do that for every order, okay? But with Quill, more importantly, you want to do that because Quill will ship your items separately. So let's say you order 3 items and Quill may ship each item from a different warehouse location. So then they're going to bill you 3 different invoices. But if you order 1 item that's at least $50 to $100 or more in your first order, then you will receive the invoice for the $50 to $100, and then that will report. You need to at least order $50 with Quill because they do not report things less than $50. So that's another reason why I'm making that stipulation with Quill, okay? So Quill is your second company that you're going to set up. Now, you're going to set up your third company. And your third company is going to be Uline. Uline is a packaging company. So those of us who need boxes or you need labels or packaging labels for your boxes, Uline has a lot of different products and services available for those of us that need shipping or packaging items. So you might not necessarily need something, but maybe ask a friend or a family member if there's anything that they need that you can order from them. And then that way, one of the things that I love about Uline as well is when you place your order, you get the items the next day. So you'll get your items the next day. The invoice will be attached to your items as well. Go ahead and pay that invoice off as soon as you get it, and then start building your business credit with Uline. Now, your fourth account that we're going to go over is Granger. Now, I'll be honest, Granger is popular But Granger is an industrial servicing company. So a lot of clients do find it hard to maybe find something on Granger because of the items that Granger has. Granger sells like batteries and ballasts and lamps and tools. You know, it's an industrial servicing company. Okay, but they're very easy to get. They're very easy to obtain. So a lot of clients go ahead and set up an account with Granger because they're just really simple and easy to obtain as a Net 30 account. All right. So now your fifth account that we're going to go over is your Crown Office Supplies. So Crown Office Supplies is similar to a Quill, but they also have different products or services that are available as well. And so again, they are a Net 30 account. They will allow you to create an account and invoice you at the Net 30 term. So when I also say Net 30, right? So when we're talking about these terms, every company is not Net 30. Some companies are going to be Net 10, some are going to be Net 20, some may be Net 25, Net 30, you may even get Net 45 or Net 60. So what that means is that's the time frame that they're allowing you to pay the invoice. So if it's Net 30, you have 30 days to pay the invoice. If it's Net 20, you have 20 days to pay the invoice. If it's Net 60, you have 60 days to pay the invoice. So just remember that, because every company is not Net 30, but whatever terms that they decide to give you, it's very beneficial for you and for us as business owners because it's going to help you keep your cash flow. So the biggest and most important part about setting up these Net 30 accounts is when you are a business owner, you want to maintain your cash flow. So when you have companies that you can purchase goods and services on credit and pay them later, that helps you in your bottom line. So if you can keep more cash in your bank account during that 30-day period and then pay these companies off at the time that they're due, that's better for you as a business owner. All right. So make sure that you set up those Net 30 accounts and stay tuned. We'll be sharing more information here on this channel. See you guys real soon.